is a brand new 2025 Cruiser RV Avenir 29RK floor plan. Coming in at just under 34 feet and just under 7,000 pounds, it is the perfect couples coach to be your getaway on your next camping trip. Let's go take a look at it. In the nose of the unit, we get a large pass-through storage, and if we look inside, there's a few notable things. So looking inside this storage, you can see that we actually have controls for our awning right here, so you don't have to go inside the camper and guess whether you're too close to the guy next to you to run that awning out. Got a battery disconnect switch. This is a 30 amp solar controller because we come from the factory equipped to 200 watts of solar, and looking above us, we can see we got aluminum struts under that bed, not plywood. This Avenir is equipped with an exterior fridge so that you can keep any drinks or anything you need outside on your campsite. If you check out the metal siding on this Avenir, it's actually a lot smoother, and it's got this gritty powder coat on it to make it a lot more durable than your traditional corrugated metal sided trailer. Looking over on the side here, we do have a tankless on-demand hot water heater, so you're going to get endless hot water and you're not going to have to worry about running out or taking short showers on your trips. Also, we got these nice 2-inch deep gutters that are built to redirect the water, so in the rain you don't have to worry about any hard water lines running down the side of your camper. Now let's get inside and take a look at all the inside amenities. Now this is a rear kitchen floor plan, which in Texas dealership, we order with a 15,000 BTU main AC, and we go ahead and get it 50 amp with a 13.5 additional AC on there. So you got two powerful ACs. Looking at the kitchen, the Avenirs come standard with this nice big stainless steel apron sink, so you don't have to worry about having two sections to get a nice deep farmhouse sink. Get lots of cabinetry and storage in this unit, and a 3-burner stove. And then looking behind me, you get an incredibly large fridge. In this unit is a 12-volt refrigerator, so that solar panels can help maintain your batteries to keep this fridge on. And then over here, we also get a really nice sized pantry at a travel trailer of this size. Now there are plenty of places to sit in this couple's trailers. You got 2 recliners by your very large window on the side opposite of me. Behind me, we got the Avenir's standard Luxe lounger. So we get a tri-fold sofa right here, and then a dinette. Now this cushion right here we can remove and put on the other side of the dinette to turn this into a big luxury lounger. To my left over here we have our entertainment center that is backed for a television. So it also has an electric fireplace to keep this area nice and warm whenever it's cool outside without having to run your furnace and use any of your LP tanks. There is also a nice portable Bluetooth sound system that you can take with you wherever you're camping. Here's your nice spacious bathroom in this rear kitchen model. You can see I'm 5'9" and I still got plenty of headroom, so taller guys can still get in the shower and rinse off. We got a good sized toilet with plenty of legroom, and we got nice cabinet space and a medicine cabinet with some space behind it to store anything you need. Now this bedroom is nice and cool from that second air conditioner I was telling you guys about earlier. We're equipped with a 60 by 80 queen size mattress and plenty of storage space in this bedroom for all of your hanging clothes. And then over on this side, we have a nice storage space you can use as a media console or a dresser. If we open up, you got plenty of shelves, and you're backed for a TV right here at the end of your bed. So I'm Braden Miller here with Vogt RV. Come on down to look at any of our Cruiser RV products. We got them all on deep discounts for you here. Now this 2025 Cruiser RV Avenir 29RK is a no-brainer at this price here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep in touch for any more videos we put out.